All right, week 5. This week we're building the number line and finding missing numbers along the number line. So before this, we've been kind of introducing students to quantities on their own or in random order so that we can really solidify that match from numeral to quantity. And now we're going to put it in order. So on Monday, we will say, what number comes first when we count? And most of us start counting at 1. So we're going to start with 1. So we'll have students share 1. And then we'll say, write it. I probably don't need to spend too much time on this one. Reset your boards. What number comes next when we count? And so we're just going to build this up to 5 for the day. So this is probably going to be fairly straightforward for students, but depending on your class, it might not be. So I think it's important to build this slowly the first time, and if students are understanding, then you can quickly move on. I'm going to skip ahead if my computer will not freeze. And then Tuesday, we'll build out our numbers all the way to 10. And then right after we build to 10 on Tuesday, we'll have students reset their boards. And then we'll say, we forgot a number. It goes here. What could it be? And students will probably shout out 0. So we'll put 0, and then we'll have them write 0. And that, I believe, is the end of Tuesday. Oh, sorry. Tuesday, we went to 9. Wednesday, we built out to 10, then we did 0, and now we're switching to the missing number, and the missing number will carry throughout the week. So let me show you what that looks like. Sorry about that. So we'll say, what number is missing? Students can see the numeral progression, they can see the beads to support them, have them write it down, then show them the write it. So give them, before you show them the number, give them a chance to figure it out and kind of look around and see how many students already know this and how many don't. And then, so for the rest of the week, it's similar. The only change is that on Friday, we're going to do 2 missing numbers. So Friday, we'll have 2 missing numbers to up the challenge. And so we'll say, what numbers are missing? Oh, wow, there's 2. Can you write both of them on your board? Give a moment for students to do that. And then you'll click. And let's see what the first one is. It's 2. Write it on your board. See what the next one is. It's 8. And one of the things that I think is important to do is to have a dialogue about, how did we know it was 2? Well, there was 1 and 2 comes after 1, or 7, 8 comes after 7. So kind of get students to weigh in and share their thinking on that. And that's this week. Hope you enjoy.